Ever pondered how you could make $1,000 online in just 3 days? Well, prepare to uncover the secrets to achieving this. The first secret lies in freelancing. A multitude of platforms exist where skills and services can be offered to clients. If you're a writer, designer, programmer, or virtual assistant, there are people ready to pay for your expertise. So no more procrastination, it's time to create your freelance profile today. Another secret to earning online is affiliate marketing. It's all about finding products or services that resonate with your interests and joining their affiliate programs. The next steps involve promoting these products or services through social media channels, blogs, or websites. Every purchase made through your unique link lands you a commission. A less conventional method is participating in online surveys. Companies are always on the lookout for consumer opinions, and they're ready to pay for them. By signing up with legitimate survey sites, you can start earning by simply sharing your thoughts. Creating and selling digital products can also be a goldmine. Be it an ebook, online course, or downloadable templates, the market for digital products is vast and ever-growing. The trick is to identify a niche, create valuable content, and start marketing your product to potential buyers. Finally, consider online tutoring. If you possess expertise in a particular subject, why not share your knowledge with others through virtual tutoring sessions? There are platforms that connect you with students eager to learn and willing to pay for your guidance. To recap, the secrets to earning $1,000 online in just 3 days are freelancing, affiliate marketing, participating in online surveys, selling digital products, and online tutoring. Remember, the key to success lies in consistency and commitment. Thank you for tuning in, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Here's to your online success.